What if I told you that the food that you eat could change the way that you think, the way that you feel, and even your entire life? No, I'm not talking about the transformation that you get from an amazing meal, but imagine a whole new approach to the way that you cook and the way that you're living your life. See, I've discovered after years of burnout and struggling with what I eat to feel more energized, more balanced, and more aligned with my body's true needs. And if that's something that would appeal to you, then I have the course for you. I'm Amrita Devi, and I want to introduce you to the Nourish Your Nature course, where Ayurvedic cooking and self-care get to transform your health, your mindset, and your whole lifestyle. But here's the thing, food is medicine, but not in the way that you think it is. Ayurveda teaches us that the food that we eat can prevent illness, boost our vitality, and even rebalance your energy. But it's not just about eating, it's about creating simple yet powerful routines that reconnect you to your true energy and back to your nature. And here's what I'm going to be sharing with you on the course. The foundational principles of Ayurveda so that you can cook for your dosha and help others do the same thing. Women are leaders in their communities. We know that when we help ourselves, we'll be helping others. And to help you be recognized, this course is certified. How about creating nourishing meals that actually make you feel amazing? You'll be inspired to make delicious, foodgasmic, healthy, and in harmony with your body foods. Learn how to practice Ayurvedic self-care rituals to help you feel balanced and reduce stress so you can improve relaxation in your busy life. How to integrate Ayurveda into your everyday routine to feel the difference. This is not your typical cooking course, it's true. This is a complete chef's kiss to the transformation of your body, mind, and soul, and what you can achieve in 6 weeks. If you're starting to forget what tasty food feels like, and you're interested in nutrition and want to learn more about Ayurveda, you're probably wondering, how fast can I see results? Well, in just 6 weeks, you'll be creating meal plans by yourself, and you'll get lifetime access to everything, so you can go over everything at your own pace and revisit the material whenever you want to. I promise you, this is going to be the best decision that you make this year. As an Ayurvedic chef, you're going to get my years of experience with food. And as an Ayurvedic practitioner, I work with clients to address their issues holistically by focusing on diet, lifestyle changes, and self-care rituals. We can work together, support and heal your gut health issues, reduce chronic inflammation, and balance your metabolism. Listen to what others have said about the course.
Oh, I did lose a couple pounds, and I was not expecting that.
I found it came at a point in my life which really helped me turn a corner. As you know, I've worked with Ayurveda for 23 years, but like everyone else, I can fall off of the platform and forget everything that I know. So doing the course with you brought back all the knowledge, put me back on track, and reminded me how beautiful and how simple Ayurveda is. And the meal plans were a gift. Your recipes are amazing. The way you coached me for the meal plans was so helpful. I really needed that, and I think that's what people need, to be kind of handheld, to be guided for a few weeks. And it has stayed with me as well.
Actually, it was life-changing for me at many levels, because first I decided to take the course, and immediately afterwards I think that my nature recognized that it was safe to generate a new life inside of me, and I discovered I was pregnant after I decided to embrace a new lifestyle. I was not respecting its needs, I was not listening to my bodies. Actually, the course allowed me to understand that I was going into a completely toxic, unhealthy path, and it was what was the end, originating all my sad emotions and feelings. And so everything that I was complaining of, it was all in my body. And yeah, and with the course, I really understood that very well. Yeah, actually my skin is different, everything, my mood, my body, yeah.
Don't wait. Click the link below and let's start nourishing your nature today.